Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked at IRS for many, many years. I was a teaching instructor there. I've been in tax resolution for 51 years. I'm a tax expert. Today I'm going to talk about the employee retention credit. What's happening? IRS has nailed a lot of people. Many people have been audited. IRS has made corrections to your 941. And what happens now? Well, a revenue officer from the IRS, that's something I used to do, is going to send you a form. Usually they send you a 725B form, and on that form they're going to have an appointment for you to come in. What can you expect on that form? Well, what you can expect is they're going to want a financial statement, bank statements, and they've done some exploring on your business, so they're going to add a whole number of things. Sometimes they're called doc requests. You get a 9297 letter with a whole bunch of things, this title, this ownership, all this stuff. IRS can ask for whatever they want, and you will have to comply with that. That revenue officer usually gives you a date when to come in. It's not a drop dead date. You can go ahead and change that date, but what they're going to want to evaluate you to pay the tax in full. Realistically, no one's going to be able to pay this tax in full right away. I had someone yesterday, he called me and they wanted me to work with them. They owed over $2 million. He says, what can I expect? Well, I said, IRS is going to make a demand for the money. You're not going to have it. He says, of course not. What are my options? Well, when IRS gets that financial statement, some businesses, they're going to have to place in hardship because they cannot collect the money. Others can go ahead and make payments. Others can go ahead and settle their debt through the offer and compromise program. So your current financial statement that you're going to give IRS, it's either going to be on a 433A or B. They're going to want both of those forms. They're IRS forms. Once again, the 433A and B, IRS will evaluate them. Somebody like me will, and then they'll make a determination. But if you're smart, you're going to want a former IRS agent in your corner, like me or my team. Anyway, thank you for listening. Give me a subscription if you would. That's really, really important. And if you're one of those people who've rewatched the videos and referred me, I do appreciate. Subscription is really big. You can call me anytime. When you call my office, you speak directly to me.